dear students, how are you all? Today we are going to see about properties of addition and subtraction of integers. Properties of addition and subtraction of integers. As in the introduction itself, I have said you in 7th standard you are going to learn about the properties and operations on integers. Yes or no? So today we are going to start with the properties of addition and subtraction of integers. In that, the first property is closure. First property is closure. Okay, you are having closure property, commutative property, associative property, like that. So many properties you have. And the first one is closure. Closure, we say this closure under addition or closure under subtraction, like that we used to say. Okay, so first we are going to see the property of closure for addition. That is closure under addition. Okay, first property is closure under addition. Okay, so what is this property is that if you have two numbers, okay, you have any two numbers, if you add those two numbers, the answer what you get will also be an integer. Okay, so if we will say that if A and B are two integers, then A plus B is also an integer. Okay, we say the property that if A and B are two integers, if A is also an integer and B is also another integer, then A plus B will also be an integer. For example, I will give you an example now. That is, if A, instead of A we are taking 5 and instead of B we are taking 7. Okay, if A and B are two integers, they have given that if A and B are two integers. So A we are taking as 5 and B we are taking as 7. Okay, then what it is given that then A plus B is also an integer. What they have given us that then A plus B also is an integer. So A plus B means 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. So 12 is also an integer, yes or no? All whole numbers and negative numbers come under integers, yes or no? So here 5 is an integer, 7 is also an integer, then 5 plus 7 we will get it 12. So 12 will also be an integer. Okay, this is the first property, that is closure under addition means if we have two integers, if we take any two integers, that is 5, here I have taken 5 and 7. Okay, and then A plus B is also an integer, but the sum of those two numbers will also be an integer, that is 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. Here 12 is also an integer. Okay, that is closure under addition. If we have any two integers, then the sum of the two integers will also be an integer. That is the first property, that is closure under addition. Okay, hope you all have understand what is closure under addition. Next we will move to closure under subtraction. Next we will see closure under subtraction. Next we will see closure under subtraction. Okay, so closure under subtraction is also the same way. So it is if A and B are two integers, then A minus B is also an integer. Okay, Our next property under subtraction, closure under subtraction is that if a and b are two integers, if a and b are two integers, then a minus b is also an integer. Then a minus b will also be an integer. For example, we will have now a is equal to 6, okay, and b is equal to 12. We have a is equal to 6 and b is equal to 12. Now what we have to do? We have to do a minus b. So 6 minus 12. Okay. 6 minus 12. So 6 minus 12. Okay. From 6 we are going to minus 12. When we minus, what the answer will be in positive or in negative? When we minus 6 from 12, you will have the answer in positive or in negative. Good. We will have the answer in negative. Okay. So here 6 is smaller number, 12 is bigger number, and the minus sign is in front of the bigger number. Okay. 6 is smaller number, 12 is bigger number, and the minus sign is in front of the bigger number. So our answer will be in negative, that is minus. So 6 minus 12 will be from 12. If we minus 6, we will have 6. Okay. So a is equal to 6, b is equal to 12. Now from a we are minusing b, that is 6 minus 12. When we do, we will get the answer as minus 6. Is or no? So now here 6 is also an integer, 12 is also an integer. From 6 if we minus 12, we will get the answer as minus 6. So minus 6, it is a negative number. So negative number is also an integer. That is the property. If a and b are two integers, then a minus b is also an integer. A, b and a minus b. Okay. A we have 6, b we have 12. From a if we minus b, we will have the integer minus 6. So minus 6 is also an integer. That is the property that if a and b are two integers. Same as addition property only. In addition property we had, if we have two integers and if we add those two integers, we will get one answer. That answer will also be an integer. Same way here we have in negative closure under subtraction, we have a and b. If we have two integers and if we minus those two integers, the answer will also be an integer. This is the property of closure under addition and closure under subtraction. I think so you have understood. If you have any doubt, you can contact me and I will be giving you some questions regarding this, and you have to find whether it is closure under addition or closure under subtraction, and you have to send it to my personal number. Okay, thank you.